we're going to take a look at this ALORAIR industrial dehumidifier. This is the Wi-Fi version, 120 volts. It's supposed to come with an onboard pump to be able to pump your recovered water away. That's a really big feature for somebody that wants that in a basement, doesn't have a drain. That's one thing on this dehumidifier that really sells it for me, is the Wi-Fi function that you can remote monitor it, and also the onboard pump to be able to pump the water away. So let's get into it here. Open it up. There's your basic setup guide. Tells you what app from the App Store to download to be able to monitor everything. Just going to pick that up off there like so. That's a really convenient feature as far as opening it up, but you want to be careful once you cut the straps along the outside to make sure that it doesn't fall out from underneath of you. So it's like, here's some tubing that it comes with for your water recovery system. All right, we have, wow, that's a heavy unit. Nice heavy handles. It's fairly easy to move around though. Here is a piece to put on here for your remote ducting system. Spin it around here so you can see. Here's your filter board. It's going to slide out. That way you can clean your air. Looks like the fins are all nice and new. It does have an auto-defrost setting on it, so if it does freeze up, it knows it and it will turn itself on and defrost it. Here's all your settings. Very clean, very self-explanatory. Also has an Ethernet wire here instead of using Wi-Fi. If you want to hook it directly up to your Ethernet wire for your internet setting, you can do it right there. You want to put it on a thermostat, different remote controls. Here's your pins on the front of it to do that. It's also Energy Star rated. Over on this end is where you will hook up your tubing for the water recovery. And as I said, the thing that really sells this for me is that it has a pump to pump it out of the basement. You want to pump it out of your basement or out of your crawl space, right outside of your house or out of your wall into your yard, you can do it like that. But there's a fitting on both sides. It's just going to depend whether you want to use the gravity feed option or whether you want to use the pump option. One more thing here is, so right here, this is where your dehumidified air is gonna come out of. So put the remote ducting right on there like so. We'll go ahead and get it out. Like it just snaps on there. I'd say that's about a 6-inch duct. You'll just have to go get some dryer vent or something like that from your local hardware store, and it will vent right off of there. So there you go, just like that. You'll hook your vent on, and you can put your dehumidified air in or out wherever you'd like it. But I'm gonna plug this in and give it a trial overnight and see how it does. But this is a heavy-duty industrial unit that I'm sure will work good and keep the humidity out of our basement, out of our crawl space. That's what we got it for, so we'll give it a try.